everyone, this is Prerna here, and today I want to share with you everything that I made last year, that is in 2023. Okay, so let's begin. So the first thing I made is the shirred dress. So let me show you. This is the shirred dress I made. It's my absolute favorite, but unfortunately it shrunk after I washed it, so I can't wear it anymore, but I would love to make one again this year. The next one I made is this Anna dress from By Hand London. This is the one. This is also my absolute favorite. It looks really classy looking. The next one I made is the wrap trousers. This is the one. Wrap trousers were really in trend when I made these, but I've not got a chance to wear this even once. The next one I made is the Leo Dungaree dress. This is also from By Hand London and it is my favorite. I don't have any dungarees. Like, I never had any dungarees, so this is actually my first one and I absolutely love it. It is so comfortable. I love wearing it with a white t-shirt, and it is so easy to style. You know, when you don't know what to wear, you just throw this on and you can just go out, run an errand, and that's it. And then my absolute favorite, and this is my most worn dress, that is the crochet dress. The top is the crochet and the bottom is a half circle skirt. This is the right side. This is my most worn dress and I absolutely love it. It took me a lot of time to make this, but I think it was totally worth it. I also made this dress which I forgot to mention. It's the Gabby dress from Fibre. It's a very comfortable dress and I love it. And the last one is the trousers and the jacket. The jacket is self-drafted and the trousers is the Safiya trousers from Make It Simple book by Tilly and the Buttons. And I love this. It is so comfortable. I made this with lining. The lining was not a part of the pattern, but I wanted to put linings in it. Lining in it, because the fabric is rayon and it is really thin and I felt that it was quite see-through. So I decided to put linings and I think it made a lot of difference. So that's it guys. This is all I made in 2023. I know it's not a lot, but I think I made only the things that I really needed. So I'm happy. I have a lot of plans for this year. I've purchased a lot of fabrics and a lot of patterns and I'm going to share with you all very soon. So stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.